Hello, in this video I want to show you how to hide Instagram online status in Instagram app. First you need to open the Instagram on our phone and then go to the from home page of Instagram, go to the profile page and here find the three lines on the top right corner. Just click on it and here select the setting and privacy, the first button. And here find the search bar on the top of the screen and just click on it. And here enter the activity. Find the show activity status. And here we can see the show activity status option. For turn off this activity status online, just click on this slider and you turn off this option on your account and hide Instagram online status. If you want turn on this option, just click on the slider again. And this all for today. We hide Instagram online status. Goodbye.